don't trust Samuel.
Alright, so here we have an R&M 52, H52. Just doing it in the dark because it looks cool, the light kit. Either way, it's a little buzzy. Let's start with low. I can get over here. High, medium, low. So low speed on it. Go ahead and go to medium. Medium speed. Last but not least, high speed. Here she's quite buzzy. This fan came out of the Thatcher hotel, I believe, and was what's the word? Restored already by a previous person in the 80s, and I got it from a local person whose family actually owned the hotel, which is kind of cool. Ew, let's do spin down. I think it's cool. It's like Cracker Barrel cool. Thank you. Put the screws all back. Put these guys on the shelf. Put that away. Gotta take this down. Sorry about being in the way. Bring off the motor. Go turn the lights on. We got a little video of the tag so they can see what the tag left of it. Thank you, Sam. Oh, that's what my video's probably blinding right now. There you go. I know why you people like spin down, but it's still going. God damn it. This isn't the worst. I've had somewhere at spin downs for 8 minutes. I'm sitting here for 8 minutes waiting for it. Those are the ones that pissed me off. That's why I have to have this chair, this stool here to sit down, because I can't stand for 8 minutes. Just like, come on. Ah, there we go. Not going backwards? Okay. That's the fan. And shut up, Sam. There's the left of the tag. It's kind of worn off. But, I mean, 1940's, and someone restored it and did a wire brush there, and it got rid of most of it. You can see some stuff still, but most of it's gone. Either way, thanks for watching.